Energy bills can totally skyrocket during those hot summer months if your heating and cooling systems are not working efficiently. So, first off, keeping your air conditioner and heating system in good shape is key. Change your air filters every month or two because dirty filters make your system work harder, which means higher energy bills. Use a programmable thermostat to set higher temperatures when you're not home, so you're not cooling an empty house. Seal up any leaks around windows and doors with weather stripping or caulk to keep cool air inside and hot air out. Keep your blinds or curtains closed during the hottest parts of the day to block out sunlight. This helps reduce the need for extra cooling. Make sure your HVAC system is sized right for your home. Too big or too small can waste energy. Regular maintenance, like cleaning coils and checking refrigerant levels, helps your system run efficiently. And don't forget about ceiling fans. They can make a room feel cooler without blasting the AC. One of the biggest mistakes people make with energy bills during hot weather is ignoring their air conditioner's maintenance, which causes it to use way more energy than necessary. Fix this by scheduling regular tune-ups and filter changes. Another common problem is poor insulation and sealing, which lets cool air escape and hot air sneak in, driving up bills. You can fix this by sealing leaks and adding insulation where needed. The third issue is not using a programmable thermostat or just leaving the AC on full blast 24/7, which wastes a ton of energy. The fix? Set your thermostat higher when you're out or asleep and use fans to help circulate air. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who know how to optimize heating and cooling systems for lower energy bills. Plus, it gives contractors a platform to connect with people who really need their skills to save money and stay cool.